My name is Emily Dahl and I come from Sweden.
My name is Sarah, I'm from Denmark.
My name is Efnan Medivalimaki. I'm coming from Turkey.
Nazywam się Joanna Miller, jesteśmy w Cieszynie na drugiej rundzie Mistrzostw Europy.
Turkey is 1,800 kilometers here, so we decided to get on a plane and we flew to Budapest, and from Budapest to here we rent a car and it was 400 kilometers, so the whole trip was approximately 20 hours for us. I'm fourth in the 125 class and overall I think 22nd, and it's going good but tough, and of course it's my first race with 125, so I'm getting some problems to get used to the bike, but I think the second race will be better.
Yeah, in the first race I had a battle with Emily and it was hard to pass her, but I got her on the second last lap and it was hard, but I was able to do it. In the second race it was a lot easier because I got a better start and I just got clear from the others and I could ride on my own lines, and yeah, it was a great race.
I think the race was really good. I came second. She was faster, so I couldn't do anything. Next races I'm trying to beat her and do my best. Yeah, the track is really fun, it's fast and yeah, I like it.
Całe te zawody stały pod znakiem zapytania, więc tym bardziej jestem zadowolona, że udało mi się pojechać i uzyskać tak dobry rezultat. Ponieważ w Sobieńczycach 2 tygodnie temu zerwałam więzadła w kolanie i przy okazji mam pękniętą łąkotkę. I niestety doskwiera mi ból, kolano jest cały czas spuchnięte, ale myślę, że nie było tego dzisiaj widać na torze.